So we literally just pulled up to Copart with the main man. Guys, let's just pray it's not a lemon, because we've got to drive this out of here. We couldn't get the trailer, so we've got to drive it out of here. And let's just pray it's not a lemon, because I don't know how we're going to get this car home. Copart, don't disappoint me. Come on. Don't disappoint me. You know what? We're going to go get the high-vis and then quickly jump in there and pick it up. And let's see how it goes. I'm literally drenched. Absolutely drenched. And I'm just trying to get the stickers off. That is what I'm trying to get off. Now, we go. Hopefully it drives. Check the oil. Check coolant, everything. Looks fine. Hopefully it drives and then we go. Clutch is good. Starts good. It's a good start. Ooh, I couldn't even hear it. Let's get home. All right, guys. So, first drive in this whatever car I got off Copart. Yeah, part steering is not the best, but we've not really got a long distance. It's about like 10 minutes till we get home, so we should be fine. Yeah, wish me luck. But I'm absolutely buzzing about this one. This should be a quick fix and a quick flip. We made it. We made it back. Honestly, yeah, it was a terrible idea. Definitely was a terrible idea. Like you know what, I'm just going to show you. I'm going to show you the condition of the car. This car is an absolute clip. Look at the state of that. Look at that. Bumper gone. Wing gone. Wheels, I think we need to take it up and then have a look to see if there is anything salvageable about it. We do not have power steering because our power steering bottle is probably broken now. Headlights gone. Bonnet, yeah, I think we can do some work in here. Yes, quite good. Oh, what is this? Now that is dodgy. That is absolutely dodgy. Oh, and quite a nice surprise, isn't it? They took out the head units. I'm sure they probably had one of those CarPlay ones and they probably took it out. But look at the state of that. Oh, did they have a child in here? Look at that. That is so filthy. Mate, I am absolutely done. I am done cleaning cars. It's always filthy and I don't, God, I'm not touching this. I'm paying someone to do it. Now, the real question is this actually going to be a quick flip? Let's crack on. Let's get back to work. I was excited about knowing if this was going to be a quick flip, so I started off by stripping the passenger wing and the headlights. Who thought it makes a good idea to put a bolt right in the back of that? That means I've got to take the bonnet off. Come on, guys. All right, so guys, we managed to get the wing off the car and I think we bought a lemon. We definitely bought a lemon. It's not a cut-in. It's definitely not a cut-in. It's taking quite the impact and we've got a lot of job cut out for ourselves now. But you know what? I've got time. I'm on leave, man. I've got time. Yeah, I've got time to get this sorted. But yeah, I think we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Let's just crack on with that. The wing is off and we can see that we've got quite an impact here. We've got to either get a way of replacing that. So I'm gonna try and see if I can find a body shop who can help me replace that. If not, I'm gonna give it a go. You know what? I'm gonna give it a go. I am gonna give it a go. Well, there's no harm in trying, innit? I might as well just create the damage, worsen the damage, and then somebody else can get on with the work. But I think I'm gonna give it a go and then have a look to see how we can get this straightened out. But I think that is the reason why, because it's bent, it's damaged the steering pump, and it's been leaking. That's why the steering has been so hard. I've got it. I thought it was going to be a quick flip, but no, it's not. Nothing ever goes right in salvage, does it? That is a good sign, isn't it? So it looks like some of the parts are literally bolt on, bolt off. So we can actually take them off and then find a replacement, because it's a bolt on, bolt off job. Come on, Kekeli, come on. I'm buzzing about this now. Something positive, innit? So I don't know if there's a clip in the back of this. So behind the grill, I think there's a clip in there, and you've got to pop that clip out to be able to get the front bumper out. And I'm like, who thought about that? It is very secure, but it's actually a nightmare getting it out. Well, let's crack on. The pump is held in by 3 bolts, and you need to take the 3 bolts out, and then it's got this pipe that connects to it, and then it's got a hose that connects to the top of it. And I think it broke off, so that's why it started leaking. Because that broke off due to the impact. So let's see if we can save it. If not, we'll buy a new one. We are literally doing the most craziest mod today to get that dent out of it. Yeah, I figured something out, so let's see if it works out. Who knows? Okay, so you come here, you're gonna stay here, and that would go up here. Oops. It's mad the kind of things we're doing it. Yep, boy. Guys, it literally worked. It literally straightened it out. Look at that. It literally straightened it out. Yeah, boy. All right, so I'm just gonna make my way now. Yeah, I'm gonna make my way now and then just grab that car in Coventry. It's a 2 bloody hours drive. Hopefully, fingers crossed, no one messes me about, because I'll be fuming if I should drive 2 hours there and 2 hours back without the parts back. Here we go. I got here and I met this guy, and the guy has given me so much knowledge about this whole business. It's insane.
There are normal obstacles to the fast lane road trip. Remember, these people have been socially.
Yeah, I'm absolutely knackered at this time, and just gonna get in and get some rest. But yeah, we got it. Bumper, bonnet, headlights, and some brackets. So I woke up the next morning feeling nice and refreshed and ready to install the wing, bumper, and headlights and steering pump that I bought from Coventry. But guys, all that excitement faded away quickly as I noticed the steering pump was definitely not working. And yes, I was quick to gas this lad I met in Coventry. I mean, the lad I bought the things off, because he did tell me a lot about the salvage game and things I needed to look out for. He even assured me and promised me that the things were all good and I can even get a refund if I have any issues. Well, I sent him a message right after that when I found out the pump wasn't working. And guess what? No reply. Nothing. He just ignored me, and that was it. And I followed up and same. So yeah, the pump as you can see, wasn't working. So I had to figure something out and get a replacement for it. That was money lost. But guess what? I have learned from this game and I'm just not going to trust anyone. And just like that, this car is turning out absolutely amazing. We quickly carried on with installing the track rod and other suspension components. So I think the tie rod had bent. You can see it's bent. So it was quite difficult to take out because it had seized in there. Easy one. Don't know why it's leaking though. Don't know if it's normal for it to leak. Come on. Oh, I hurt myself again. Man, I've just been cutting myself today, man. Look. Cut myself. So cut myself there. Just cut myself there. Cut myself here. That's the first time I've ever done a suspension work that's just cutting me everywhere. Yeah, guys, so we've managed to fit the tie rod now. That is in. I'm just gonna put in the cover that goes in, and then it clips into place. But I'm done for the day. I am actually drenched. It's beginning to rain. I've cut myself way too many times. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get some rest and then we'll continue tomorrow. I don't know why it's leaking oil out though. I think it's the power steering fluid. I don't know if it's normal. I'm gonna go check if it's normal for it to be leaking power steering fluid out. But yeah, this is a bloody messy job and it's not so nice. But yeah, we've almost done. So we'll do the same thing for the other part and then that's it done. Oh, and yes, I did say I was done for the day, but why not just put a little bit of graft and then get it done, especially with the rain. That's it, guys. It's actually a wrap this time. I did say I was going, but yeah, had to come back in and finish this. It's raining as well, but it's actually a wrap this time. Wheel latches in. Inner tie rod has been done. Track rod has also been done. We're good to go. We'll get in for an alignment, MOT, and car should be out for sale. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor and subscribe. Subscribe. Man, I didn't think I was gonna be this tired. But yeah, VW Polo is going in for a wheel alignment this morning. So we're gonna go in, get its wheel aligned, and then we should give it a good wash and then it should go out for sale. Everything needs to happen today because I am absolutely tired of this car and it was meant to be a quick flip, but obviously it's not quick now because it's almost more than a week now. So well, both leads work now. All work, so happy days. All right, so we're gonna move all the stuff from this car into this car, then we can take this car in for wheel alignment. We've managed to get the car aligned and the car is back on the road. We took it in for a wash as well and it's looking absolutely amazing. You can see in the video the car was absolutely out of alignment. It was really off, but guess what? It cost us 72 Great British pounds sterling. 72 for an alignment. Well, it's all done now, so it's getting ready to be advertised. But before we show you what this car is looking like, I just want to say thank you to you guys. In the last video, we said we just wanted 100 subscribers. And guess what? We are on 245 subscribers now. You guys have shown me so much love and I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys. You know what? Let's try to get to 500 by the end of this video. In a couple of days, we've managed to transform the car from this to this. This is insane. Absolutely insane. So before we end the video, let's do a quick cost breakdown. So the car cost us £770. We managed to pick up a bumper and the bits from Coventry for £350. We got the inner track rod done, which is both the inner and the outer done, and we got it for £35. We got the alignment done for £72. That was expensive. And then we got some fuel, which we used in running the car, and we got it through a service as well. And that is it, guys. So the car is up for sale now. If you're interested, just give me a message, send me a DM, send me a shout. But until then, see you in the next video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.